Sherry Holzer of I Am Simply Sherry. I'm really excited today to share with you a great recipe. I have been having so much fun creating holiday treats using Maxine's Heavenly Cookies. And today I have a fun one for you. I took their peanut butter chocolate chip cookies and created a really cool peanut butter cream filled cookie cup. For this recipe, you'll need 2 bags of Maxine's Heavenly Peanut Butter Chocolate Chip Cookies, 1/4 cup of melted vegan butter, 1 8-ounce container vegan cream cheese, 1/3 of a cup melted creamy peanut butter, 3/4 of a teaspoon coconut sugar, dash of vanilla, 1 vegan chocolate bar melted. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large bowl, crumble the cookies and combine with the vegan butter. Fill mini muffin tin with liners. Place heaping tablespoon of cookie mixture into each of the muffin cups and press to make a cookie cup. I use the bottom of a shot glass to make perfect cups. Bake for 13 minutes. Halfway through, if they look as if they've risen too much, just use the back of a spoon to press them back down. And then finish the baking time. Let cool for about 10 minutes. Meanwhile, soften the peanut butter in the microwave. Mix the peanut butter, vegan cream cheese, coconut sugar, and vanilla with a hand mixer. Scoop approximately 1 tablespoon of the peanut butter mixture into the cup. Melt vegan chocolate and cover the tops with the chocolate. Place in fridge until they harden about 1 hour. Now they are ready to serve. You can see that with Maxine's Heavenly Cookies, they gave you such a great base to create something fun and different. And I think these are pretty special. I hope you do too.